Are you an employee and tired of taking order from someone? Ikaw ba ay family person who takes care of the kids pero gusto ng extra kita? Nice mo bang kumita ng additional to pay for few luxuries in life? Tingin mo ba mas marami kang kikitain kung magsasarili ka than working for someone else? If your answer is yes, at kung meron kang magandang business idea, then you should be your own boss. Pero anong klaseng business idea? Dapat it is something na bago at napapanood ng produkto. Yung unique na business concept na maliit lang ang kapital, pero maganda ang kitaan. Sa dami ng business ideas ngayon, isang magandang innovation ng kakaibang product na ito ng iConnect. iConnect is proud to announce its latest product under iMobile, ang DynoTab. Ayon sa Land Transportation Office o LTO, umaabot na sa 5.3 million ng registered vehicle sa Pilipinas. Lahat ay naghahanap na magandang solusyon para makatipid sa konsumo ng gasolina. Sa patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina,
sa ibang balita, halos 50 pesos na ang presyo ng kada litro ng diesel. Bunso na panibagong round ng 1.50 ang oil price hike ngayong weekend.
Isang breakthrough product ang DynoTab. Biruin mo, makakatipid ka ng hanggang 15% sa gas consumption ng ating mga sasakyan. Sa dami ng motorista na gustong makatipid sa gas, napakagandang timing ang DynoTab para gawing negosyo and earn an extra income. Yan ang ino-offer ng iConnect. Ang iConnect is a Filipino-owned company. It is engaged in selling dealership packages and dispensing airtime loads and prepaid products. Established in September 15, 2007, iConnect provides first-rate services in the field of digital technology.
And I always believe that if you teach a person how to fish, you'll feed many families for many years to come. This is the reason why me together with my partners put up iConnection Exchange Corporation. But iConnect is not just a company, but already advocacy for all of us here to help young people and young businessmen to start their businesses with very small capitalization. And we want to support these people. That's the reason why we focus on three things. We are here to focus on our people, we want to focus on our products, and we want to focus on our operations. I'm wishing and hoping that iConnect will serve as a vehicle for these people to achieve their dreams and hopefully gain financial independence.
Ang gas prices ay patuloy na tumataas mula 20 pesos noong 1998, umabot na ngayon sa 60 pesos kada litro. Dito makakatulong ang DynoTab. Ang DynoTab ay gawa ng Chemplex. Ito ay high-quality fuel additive in a fast-dissolving tablet form na inilalagay sa gas tank ng sasakyan sa tuwing magpapagas ka. Ito ay maaaring gamitin sa diesel, gasoline, pati sa biofuel. DynoTab is made in the USA. Tested na ito internationally at 10 years na ito sa market sa halos 53 countries worldwide. Ang manufacturer nito ay may 60 years experience na sa US fuel additive industry, kaya ang DynoTab ay safe, effective at madaling gamitin. Inilalagay lang ito sa gas tank ng sasakyan at may enhance ng fuel efficiency. Ini-increase nito ang rate of fuel burn at kinukumpleto nito ang gas combustion para walang nasasayang na gas. Ini-improve nito ang performance ng sasakyan. Ini-increase ang engine power. Mas malakas ang acceleration at mas smoother ang engine operation. Sa regular na paggamit ng DynoTab, nire-reduce nito ang smoke at emission. Katulad na lang ng sasakyang ito. Before using DynoTab, sobrang dumi ng smoke at emission na binubuga ng sasakyan niya. But after a few treatments of DynoTab, agad na na-reduce ang emission kaya malaking tulong ito sa environment natin. Every time na maglalagay ka ng DynoTab, gaganda na ang takbo ng sasakyan, makakasave ka pa ng up to 15% ng gas consumption mo. Oh, malaking tipid, diba? Dalawa ang booster dose ng DynoTab, 250 at 500 mg. 250 mg treats 15 liters at 500 mg naman treats 30 liters of gas. Maaari ka maging dealer ng DynoTab. I-avail mo lang ang dealership package na ino-offer ng iConnect. The whole package includes 2 boxes of DynoTab, tarpaulins, brochures, medical care benefits from Friendly Care, at DVD presentation. Kasama pa rito ang membership mo sa AAP o Automobile Association of the Philippines, kung saan ma-avail mo ang roadside assistance 24/7. Hindi lang sa towing, pati sa battery boosting, flat tire changing, at may fuel provision din. May accident insurance coverage ka pa, worth 200,000 pesos. Bilang dealer, entitled ka to a 25% discount on Dynotab. You can offer this product to the following: transport bus companies, jeeps, taxi, TODA o tricycle operator, and drivers association. Sa mga companies na mataas ang demand sa fuel supply, gaya ng food chain delivery service, medical and pharmaceutical companies, construction firm, auto shops, and car wash outlets na direktang may contact sa mga private vehicles, car organizations at mga auto clubs, heavy equipment user, sa marine transpo, at sa mga private car owners na gustong makatipid. Ang maganda pa dito, bawat Iconex dealer ay walang monthly sales quota na dapat habulin. Oh, good business, diba? Kapag ikaw ay Iconex dealer na, maaari ka pang kumita ng mas malaki sa DRP o Dealer Referral Program, kung saan ikaw bilang dealer ay maaari ring mag-refer ng kaibigan na gusto ring maging dealer ng Iconex. Mamamonitor mo ang iyong mga sub-dealers through the web. Just log on to www.iconex.com.ph. Open your account at makikita mo ang lahat ng sub-dealers mo. Oh, start using Dynotab now and experience the difference. Go for an extra mile, earn an extra income. Be an Iconex dealer now. For more information regarding this business, just ask the person who gave you this video.